episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that is not an instant noodle or a noodle whatsoever. This is a rice cake. This is Wang. Hot chicken flavor sauce, Topokki Carbonara from South Korea. This one, it's got a lot of English on it, but it's got so many things that are from so many different countries that I have to put it as South Korea because it's not just for the US market. So it's an export version, but that's how I gotta roll this one. 1000 watts, 80 mils of water, 3 minutes. Whoa. Do I put the lid back on loosely? Loosely? Remove the lid and microwave. Okay. Okay. So let's make this happen. We're gonna take this. I'm gonna let you see how we do. 3 minutes at 1000 watts. I'm gonna put that sucker at like 50%. I think that's the safe way to go. Kids are watching film. It's a Saturday here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. It's supposed to possibly get up to 80 degrees today, and it's just gonna be wonderful, except for the fact that I've got a sore throat. The most beautiful woman in the world, my wife, has a sore throat, and my daughter's sore throat's kind of gone away, but my son sounds like he's kind of been clearing his throat a bit. So, yeah. And no bueno. Sachet of flavorful desiccant. Topokki. It's a rice cake, but it's like adult. What do you call them? Adult beefaroni. I know. Probably like, what? It's topokki. It's not beefaroni, dude. I know, but it's really good. I'm telling you what. So there's that. It said do the sauce. It sounds good too. We got that, and then we need 80 mils of water, which I already pre-measured. I'm telling you what. Baby bottles. Remember. I'm gonna do a paper plate just for safety, and I'm gonna run this sucker at 60% for 3 minutes. So yeah. Go. Okay. So it is going, and it is, as I mentioned, it's Saturday. Saturday. Still kind of low on noodles. I was gonna get a really neat package from Singapore, but it would have cost them too much to send. It was a commemorative Ferris wheel commemorating the 25th anniversary of cup noodles in Singapore. So there's like Nissan Japan, as you probably know, Nissan in the United States, Nissan in Singapore, Thailand, India, Brazil, Mexico. I mean, it's everywhere. It's a big global company with different companies that are branches off of Nissan Holdings. Anyway, so the Singapore branch, they were gonna send this thing, but it would have cost them, they said, like over 1,000 Singaporean dollars, which I checked it out. That would have been like almost $800. And it's like, man, now I really wish I could have gotten the thing. But they've got 11 varieties of cup noodles in Singapore, right? It was a Ferris wheel, and each seat on the wheel had a spot for a cup noodle. And I'm gonna bet you it was motorized, but they said it was like so big that it was just too cost prohibitive to even think about sending it. They're like apologetic. They're going to send the product. I asked if they could send a video, so hopefully there'll be a video that I can put with the unboxing showing how the thing works. Because, I'm so bummed. I don't know though. I don't know where the heck I would have put it. But if it was motorized, I probably would have had it running all day long. It sounds cool. Their PR team is top notch. They make some of the most amazing freaking. They did one for their new seafood tom yum. Was it the new teas? But either way, it came with a hot pot, like a Thai tom yum hot pot, and it even came with charcoal to fire it up. I was like, wow, that's cool. I still have yet to use it. I should use it. And yeah, my daughter's on the exercycle, as you can see. Had to drag that thing out. Whee! And yeah, school's starting for them next week. Luckily, the horror of hopefully the horror of the deal is that every year. Hold on, let me grab it. Every year you gotta redo this thing. So my son rides a special bus to school. And it comes here anyways. My daughter goes to the same school. So it's like, why couldn't she ride the bus? Oh, we've got to wait till October to get it approved. I'm like, no, dude, there's no way. There's no freaking way. Well, I called them up yesterday and all was well. So, thank God. But it was just like a little bit of a bureaucracy I have to deal with and wade through every year, and it's just like, come on, dude. Last one to get picked up, first one to get off the bus at the end of the day, and the bus is never more than like maybe, I think usually it's maybe like 20% full. I think the max is like 30% full. So yeah, kind of, we can't do it this way. All right, so here is our, it's round. We have a bowl of topokki. So topokki is rice cake. This is spicy or rice cake. Yes, well, rice cake. Nice and chewy, saucy. If it's really good, I will eat it. If it's really good, I will eat it. Alright. Let's plate this thing. Do I want to use that? No, I want to use that. Right? Yeah, I want to use this one. Okay. Come to me. Like that. Our topokki. Topokki. Ow! Ow! Holy crap! We're watching something over there. All right. I've got 2 slices of chashu. I want to use them. I was only going to use one, but I decided I would reuse one. So that's what's going on here. Those slices of tteokbokki. Dos baki. It's not really like what you always see in tteokbokki. You do see pork. I mean, that's not like, and this is pork belly, which is a wonderful thing that the Koreans tend to use. Jeju pork belly. Now that is some wonderful stuff right there. It's from Jeju Island, which is in. Mimi, can you? Mimi, stop, please, get down. Hold on. She likes to talk like a baby sometimes. Well, I find it rather a little much. I don't want anybody busting their head open while they're being silly on the exercise. Yeah. No head squishing. Here we go. And then we've gotta do her up. Gotta do her up. Right. Don't really want to use any mung bean sprouts on this. Not what I think is logical. A little bit of seed. And it is spicy already, but I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper. So I like crushed red pepper. That, ladies and James, I think I may have that for dinner, or for lunch, or for my face. Yeah. All right. Cool, cool. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one we got is one from India. And I found this after my buddy, my son Miles' birthday party over in Bellevue, Washington at a place called the Apna Bazaar. This is cup noodles masala, Mazadar masala. And yeah, that'll be coming up on tomorrow's episode. Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment in everything you do each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.